What up, everyone? Welcome to Savala's Craft Barbecue. So, my son, his birthday landed this Friday, and which is Good Friday, and so we decided not to cook anything this weekend or sell for Easter. So we wanted to basically celebrate my son's birthday, and my sister invited her to her ranch over there in Brenham, and so also over there is Truce Barbecue. And so on the way there Friday, we decided to stop by. So I'm going to show y'all a little bit of the visit and a little bit of our trip. All right. So it's March 29th. It's my son's 13th birthday. We're going to my sister's ranch, and on the way there, we're stopping at Truce Barbecue.
So I got 108 on brisket extra.
That's the corn pudding.
Looks delicious. 3 legs of sausages. I have 5 different kinds.
Jalapeno chutney, pepper jack, chicken,
How y'all doing today? Yeah,
Pretty good. Really busy today, so we might sell out pretty
Good stuff, man. Ooh,
So these 3 bones are a pound. Did you want to add any more bones?
did y'all want any? The boys, y'all want ribs or no? You know what? Add 3 more for my niece. Yeah.
I'll say she's the meat eater.
She's a eater, man. She loves ribs, man. She's young, but she loves ribs.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be 0.63 extra.
And some bread for you.
Yeah, please.
Yes.
That looks beautiful.
Where'd you guys drive in from?
Houston. Oh, Pasadena, Texas. Yeah.
Pasadena?
Yeah.
Where from? What side?
Shoot, I don't know.
The southeast side of
Southeast side?
Yeah.
Pasadena.
Yeah.
Well, my grandmother lives right there by, you know where Deepwater is?
Yes.
Yep.
Oh, we're
That's
close
the,
by.
That's the area I grew up in.
Put it on here.
Eat, boy, eat. All right. So this is got the chicken chipotle, y'all. See how it tastes. Oh my God, that's good, dude. Ooh. It has a oxyocta cheese or something like that.
Oxide?
Yeah, I don't know how to say it. And then we got cheddar jalapeno. Try it, babe. The sausage is good.
It looks good. I'm gonna try it.
Huh?
They put bell pepper in it. It tastes good.
It is? There's a lot of brisket Daniels with grub.
You want more brisket, Luke?
I think I got them confused. I don't know. This is another sausage one. On point. The broccoli. What is this? Broccoli casserole?
Broccoli and cheese casserole.
And it's good. It don't taste like your normal casserole. There's some creamy about it. I don't know.
Wow.
And then their famous mac and cheese.
I hate the one so much.
Oh, mac and cheese is on point. When you get close to finishing the water, put it over here. All right. Feels like they're moist brisket.
out. Daniel, this is so good. Do you want more?
And the brisket's good. Let me see the sauce, please. See it with the sauce.
Luke likes the mac and cheese.
Everything. This is good, D. Yo, juicy, tender, on point. All right, the rib. That's good. I'm gonna finish this. Everything's on point. I'll get back with y'all. Okay, so one thing that I want to make clear about the Truth Barbecue is that all the food was great. I felt like they hit it on point with consistency. All the brisket slices were nice. It all tastes great. Same thing with the ribs presentation. The taste was great. But one thing that stood out for sure is the sides, man. The corn pudding was great. The mac and cheese was great. And then it was like a broccoli, rice and cheese casserole, something like that. It was all great. And so it paired great with the food, with the meats. And so was the sausage. It really like pushed me to step up my sausage game. And it was all in all phenomenal. And I understand why they're top barbecue joint. And it just, you know, if you ever been to a barbecue spot like this, like the hospitality is great. You know, these workers are never, they might be having a bad day. I wouldn't know because they treat you well. They talk to you like a normal human being. And it's just all in all a great experience. Even the people in line are always good. You know, you free beer. They have a tipping jar if you want to just, you know, tip because, you know, they're going out their way to give you free beer. My family loved it. My kids love the brisket. They love brisket in general. I got some extra ribs for my niece. She loves ribs. But, you know, it was a great experience. Just like when we went to 1701 barbecue. And this is what makes barbecue in Texas the best because of just, you know, the great quality and time they take to make it and the hospitality. So thank you, Truth Barbecue, for this special birthday for my son. We really appreciate it. Be careful. Slow down right here. Oh, my bad, homeboy. Hey! Shoot. 2, 1.
Mind you, the water is freezing. The water is cold.
The boys are doing it. 1, 2, 3, jump. Go. Oh boy! That's cold.
God is good.
Happy birthday.